Now, there are still more areas research in translation which is related to the translation process. For example, you want to investigate workplace studies, i.e. the lives and the conditions of professional translators in a certain area, in a certain region, or in a certain country. You can look at protocol studies, which is think aloud protocol, which is the internal decision-making process. And the decision-making process, to see how the translators think when they are translating a certain text, and that is something that you need to look into in details. Then also you can look at translator training, and in that you can look at curriculum design. For example, you investigate the curriculums that are used, or curricula that are designed in various universities, which are aiming at translator training, aiming at graduating translators at the end. So you look at that. Or you can also look at another area in translation research, which is relating, and that is the last one, according to Andrew Chesterman and his colleague, is the translation profession, i.e. you investigate membership, associations, certification, and employment. And that is another form that you can actually look at as an area which is related to research in translation studies. So let me just summarize very quickly what I have covered in this and a previous video about the areas in translation research, which are 12, and they are, let's go back to the top: text analysis and translation, translation quality assessment, genre translation, multimedia translation, translation and technology, translation history, translation ethics, and it could be also interpreting ethics, terminologies and glossaries, interpreting, the translation process, translator training, and finally, the translation profession. And these are all the areas that can be considered as being in translation research.